Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Hope your trading day is going well. So we're gonna do our and show you our strategy. How we analyze the market is simple and easy, and it's basically price action at its best. So I hope you pay attention to this. So we have 5 steps here, which our first step is like analyze the market structure. We do a top-down analysis from the daily to the 15 minutes, but I like the 4 hour to the 15 minutes because I don't stay that long in the market. So yeah, let's go in the market. Like this is a downtrend. Obviously, it's a downtrend. You can see it's forming lower highs, lower lows. Sorry, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs. So it's a downtrend, and if you don't see the lower lows and lower highs, you can draw your trend line, or you can use a moving average, and it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. So whichever you're comfortable with, this is a downtrend. So let's go to the 4 hour minute, like the 4 hour time frame, and we basically draw the line also here. If you're a fan of using the lines, which if you our strategy is basically price action, so we involve also the trend lines if the price is at the trend line. So right now, yeah, it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. So yeah, it's a downtrend. I'm just gonna delete this one here and put another one here, even though I'm not gonna use it because the market structure is a downtrend. So we are only looking for sales, traders. We're only looking for sales. Only look for sales. The market sentiment is in a downtrend. It's a 4 hour, so looking for sales. If you're looking for buys, somewhere here, that's good. But here, look for sales. It's not gonna be 100% sure, but it's a 90% chance, like a 60% chance you have, like in your advantage here. The market is a 60% chance of going down. That's basically how the price, according if you do statistical analysis, the market, 60% chance it will bounce off here. So that adds more percent to your confirmations. So let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame where we draw our key levels. You can draw your key levels here. You can try, let's find in the 4 hour. That's the second step. Draw your key levels here. So this is our support and resistance level. Another one which is basically down here, even though we're not gonna use it now unless the price gets there. Let's try and find another one. If you watch the other video, I usually tell you we use BCW, which we put our key levels where the body, a lot of candles and wick got bounce off or get rejected in that area. So that's how we place our key levels: BCW, bodies, congestion, and wicks. So congestion means a lot of candles like this one were rejected in this area. So this means gives like the congestion mark. Like, okay, let's find the wicks. We have wicks here. We have a body here. Wicks here also. So yeah, and remember it's an area. Remember it's an area. You have to remember that. So you can go to the 1 hour and see them clearly, move them a little bit. So this is an area. Also this is an area. This line. Okay, so we have a place here where we can work with. I'm just gonna go into the my key levels now, which I'm gonna use. They're in here, so I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes 30 minutes time frame to find my chart patterns. I use chart patterns, especially triangles. If like chart patterns, they work for me. They mostly work for me, like they work for me so well. So I like using them. I really love like chart patterns, triangles, symmetrical ascending triangle. So I'm trying to find chart pattern here. So the price went above here, bounced, and then came to this level, it bounced back. And as we remember, this is an area where if we zoom out, our trend line goes through this area. So let me just try and do this. Okay, so remember that we are looking for sales right now. We are looking for sales. If it's buys, then we will know, but our setups here will be for sales. So let's go back to the 15 minutes, where step 3 is looking for chart patterns. Chart patterns. Okay, so right now you can see here, okay, this is not a major key level, so I'm gonna do this. Price came here, bounce, went up, bounced back at this area, and then went here again. Like we have here a support level, a really good support level. So we let's see, this is a support level, and the price here looks like it's forming lower highs, but the lows stay at the same level. And what does this tell us? It's a freaking triangle pattern. When I see this, I love this. Like when I see this, I like, okay, I love this. The issue with this is that it's the v75 index. It's the king of brackets. So okay, you got a triangle here. So I've got my triangle, and I'm looking for, this is my chart pattern. I'm looking for breakouts. Breakout below will be good, because this also can be used as a reversal pattern, not only a continuation pattern, as a reversal pattern. So I'm looking for a breakout down here, and I retest this, and then I can sell. But also if it breaks above this area, which it already did, then I'm looking for a retest here, and then it will go up. But because this is the king of fake breakouts, probably it will go up, keep going up, and then somewhere here it will come down. So it's good if you're looking for short in, like for sure, if you stay in the market for this period of time. But if it will go up, I won't be buying this. I'm not buying this. Yeah, I swear to God, I'm not buying this. So I just want to go with this trend here, because it's v75. So I'm just, if you're a lately risk taker and you wanna go low, like you wanna go for those short movement, like you wanna scalp this, you can just wait for a retest here, and then do wait for this candle, and then do a buy, place a buy. So your stop loss may be here or somewhere here. But if you wanna make that money, so here is a retest. But if it goes down all the way, and I'm waiting for a retest here, I'm gonna buy all the way somewhere to this, probably put my first TP at this level here. If it goes down, if it comes and it breaks at this level, so I'm gonna do that. So my entry is, the first step is finding your entry. So if it breaks here, this is the setups. I'm just gonna wait for a retest, and then for it to come back again. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna wait for a retest, for a price to, if it breaks, I'm gonna wait for a retest. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna wait for a retest. I'm not just gonna buy it. But if you are a risk taker, you can buy and just wait for a pullback, but make sure to put your stop level in an appropriate place. Like, our stop level, we go in the form of, if this is the last it's the last lower high, then your stop loss, and it goes all the way down here, and then it breaks this level, comes for a retest, and then bounces back from the retest. This is gonna be my first TP, and I'm gonna place a good lot size, you know, a good lot size. Not it's V75. I'm not gonna list my account that much. So, and we are going to $200 account. I will put in the other big account which I use a good, you know, big lot size. But here I'm just gonna put a small lot size. So it's gonna retest it and then it's gonna go back. And this is the live market, guys. I'm doing this analysis on a live market. So let's wait. Let's wait for the break here. But if you wanna wait for this retest here, be my guest. Wait for this retest. If the price bounces back from this area, please press a buy. If you are in tree, you should look for candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns here. I will post a picture and show you how this happens. If you're looking for a buy, I might go for a short buy maybe, but I don't like my odds in this one, so I'm not gonna try it. I'm just gonna don't be greedy. That's all. I don't want to be greedy in this one. So let's see how this plays out, and that's it.